Okay, it's really easy to change out the sight on a Daisy Red Ryder. Number one, make sure that your rifle is on safety and there's not a BB in the magazine. So you'll find on the underside of the rifle a little square notch with a plastic piece inside of it. You're going to want to use either a 3/16 or a 1/4 inch screwdriver, and it's very simple. Hold the rifle very steady, and you're going to press down and forward on the plastic piece to get it to start wedging out. And you'll notice that after the square peg slips out of the square hole, it's just about out of there. That's not good. You'll have to keep working that thing out. Eventually, you can pull it off like such. So then all you have is the end of the rifle with the barrel inside. You're going to take your new Fiber Optic Sight, and all this does is slide right back in there, and it'll click when you get it in there. All right. Try this. Hopefully nobody other than Zoe watches this. There we go. Pops right in. You've changed out your sight. Yep. Now I'm going to go test this sucker.